can just do
He's
the
a
Rubik's
gangster
Cube.
with the
And
Rubik's
Steiny-
Cube.
I had it in my backpack because I was like relearning how to do it. And then we were on the plane and I was just pulling shit out of my backpack, like my charger, my headphones. And I was looking for something. I pulled up the Rubik's Cube. I put it on the side and Steiny runs from the back of the PJ and he's like, "You can't do that." I swear to God, we have it on like film. I'm like, bro, what? Like, I was like,
You
yeah.
can't do what? Pull out a Rubik's Cube?
No, he's like, you can't solve it. And I was just like,
so mad. I'm like,
he was
wait,
so mad.
Is
I was
that
like,
on
yeah,
the
I can.
no-fly list of shit?
He's like, bet me right now. I'm just like, okay, like, what do you want to bet? He's like, 500. And then we bet and I won.
He's like, my entire bank account.
Wait, that's giving little brother vibes.
Okay, how?
and then I beat him and he gets like, he's depressed for like 10 minutes. Like actually bad. Like you could feel the energy in the room. I'm like,
Yeah.
all right, bro, you want to do like a double or nothing?